I have a interesting product here. I usually do not get headphones, but this one is a special one. Came from Romania. This is Meze 105 Air. As you guys can see, it has been thoroughly opened by the Indian customs. I hope they have not damaged the package or anything like that. Damaging the box is not new for them. I hope they have not done any physical or material damage. Meze 105 Air. This one is their latest mid-range headphone. They already have the classic 99 classic. This one is the 105 Air. They have the 99 Pro too, which is placed above this. This one is priced at $400 if I'm not wrong. They have opened the box thoroughly. They have and what I'm not very happy with the Indian custom is the way they handle the stuff. They do not care much about the product. They mostly manhandle the shipment, and that is where things get worse. I have had shipments that have torn boxes, damaged boxes, but this one looks decent. I hope nothing is missing either. The case is kind of a hard case with good, decent quality zippers. Not the best, but decent quality zippers. These are not soft ones, to be precise, hard cases. And here are the headphones. Now these are over the ear type, full size, not the biggest of the cups, but these are big enough. Let's have a look at the headband mechanism. Looks nice, looks very good. Might not be real leather. It is not real leather, to be precise. This is vegan or fox leather. Very comfortable. It should be very comfortable, and you guys can see wide headband around 2.5 inches, so it should be very comfortable. Velour ear pads, and we are getting a decent cable with it too. This one is plastic. Okay, no problem there. This one is metal. This thing is metal too. This thing metal. Let's have a look at the specification too, if there is any on the box. This one does have a 50 mm dynamic driver. I'm not exactly sure about the impedance and that kind of stuff. So yeah, we have a 50 mm dynamic driver and 42 ohm of impedance, which is decent for a headphone of this quality. 112 dB sensitivity, which is a fairly on the higher side, and 336 grams, which is not lightweight. Given the metal build quality, I'm okay with it. We are getting a Kevlar OFC cable. Let's have a look at the what else. Safety instruction. Okay, just the standard safety instruction. Let's have a look at the cable. So this one has a separate pouch for the cable, which is decent. You can carry your IM in it. It's not exactly a great option for a cable because the cable can be easily placed in here. So yeah, it's an additional pouch to keep the cable in. So you guys can see this is a mono plug to 3.5 mm stereo. Nothing exactly special. If you are a proper audiophile, you might want to swap this for a balanced cable, but this is decent. This is supposed to be decent. Nothing to be worried about. For a $400 headphone, brands are not giving balanced cables. In any case, this is good in my opinion. You can obviously use yours looks nice. So this is the unboxing of 105 Air from Meze Audio. 105 Air Meze Audio. I'll be including the initial impression within this video. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. So this is the initial impression of the Meze 105 Air. I noticed a couple of things on this headphone, to be precise, with the build quality too. The first one is, if we look at the set of accessories, these cables aren't that premium. Okay, Chinese brands are providing much better cables. FiO FT1 Pro comes with a balanced cable. Even the FT1 comes with a balanced cable, but this one doesn't. But just look at this beauty. It's a it's a beautiful looking headphone, and the build quality is simply awesome. Very good bands, very good the connector parts. The build quality is just solid metal, and the headband too is very premium, to be precise. These are not going to fall out anytime soon, and the pads are of very premium quality. You guys can see the drivers have good amount of protection on them too, so they have paid very good attention to the details. And this, I cannot call this gimbals, because these are not, these are the headband holders. Just look at the class they have added to the headphone. So this one is a very well built headphone. This is not metal or wood or anything like that. This is plastic, yet look at the texture, it looks fantastic. And these things, these centrifugal things are very well made. I think they look really nice, and it will fit nearly every head. I would like to believe that no issues with the fitting or anything like that. If we look at the sound quality, that is where things get a bit interesting. Now, even though the Meze 99 Classic is a bassy headphone, this is far from a bassy headphone. If you are looking for a lot of bass, a punchy, thumpy bass, then this might not be the one for you. This one is a more balanced sounding headphone. It's an open back headphone. If you haven't looked into the specification already, it's an open back headphone, and it sounds a lot more balanced than what we call a bassy headphone. Okay, we get good sub bass extension, mid bass is slightly more prominent, and the bass decay is a bit on the faster side because of its open back nature. Now, it has excellent dynamics. If you are looking for a dynamic sounding headphone, this one is a fantastic headphone, to be precise. Dynamics are just superb, vocals are fantastic. They are a lot more accurate than what most of the Sennheiser headphones can produce without being dry, thin, or unnatural. So the cohesion and that kind of part, that the timbre and tonality are just fantastic. Very good clarity too, no issues with the clarity or anything like that. Treble is slightly on the relaxed side. Okay, that is what most of these headphones are trying to deliver, and this one too is a bit on the relaxed side. It has very good air, very good sonics, very good staging, one of the biggest stage for $400, to be precise. Very good staging and that kind of stuff, but it is not very good when it comes to the energy in the treble region. It is good, it is very good, but not the best. There are headphones that will deliver more energetic treble region, but this is not very treble friendly at this point of time. So this is it. This is the initial impression of the Meze 105 Air. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.